friends. I have some mud on the board and we need to add some animals that like to roll around in the mud. Do you know what that might be? Yes, it's pigs, and I have one. I know I have one pig. Now this pig has a little curly tail, and we can make her little curly tail on that cute pig. And then her tail is little, but the pig is big. We're gonna make movements like that. A little tail and a big pig. And then we're gonna roll in the mud right up to our chin. And tap your chin like that when we roll up to our chin. And then some other pigs are gonna come along and they're gonna jump right in. So you can jump when we sing about jumping. I'll do the movements too so you can see what I mean, okay? Let's get our one pig out. There she is now. Whoa, oh, she got pretty muddy. She's muddy already. Okay, we've got one curly tail on one cute pig. It goes like this. One curly tail on one cute pig. Her tail is little, but the pig is big. She rolled in the mud right up to her chin. Then along comes another friend who jumps right in. Let me get that other friend to jump right in. This friend is not muddy, but when she jumps in, now she's muddy. All right, now we got our two piggies in our mud, and they both have curly tails. Let's do our little curly tails. Two curly tails on two cute pigs. The tails are little, but the pigs are big. They roll in the mud right up to their chin. Then along comes another friend who jumps right in. Let me get that number 3. There he is. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You got 3 now. 3 curly tails on 3 cute pigs. Their tails are little, but the pigs are big. They roll in the mud right up to their chin. Then along comes another friend who jumps right in. Woo! Here comes that 4th friend. You've got 3. 1, 2, 3. Here comes number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's a muddy, mucky mess in there. All right, 4 curly tails on 4 cute pigs. Their tails are little, but the pigs are big. They roll in the mud right up to their chin. Then along comes another friend who jumps right in. Let me get him. Here he comes. And they jump. Whoa. Now how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 curly tails on 5 cute pigs. Their tails are little, but the pigs are big. They rolled in the mud right up to their chins. But now there are no more friends to jump right in. That's all of them, just 5. Look how muddy they are. All right, muddy pigs, climb out. We'll hose these guys off, right? Should we throw buckets of water to get them nice and clean? Let's do it. Get your bucket and scoop some water in it. And oh, it didn't work. Get another one. Scoop some water in your bucket. Oh, I think we need one more. Scoop some water, and this time splash. Woo, 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 woo. Ah, perfect. All cleaned off. Nice and squeaky clean, you little piggies. Thanks for helping me wash them off. Thanks for rolling. Thanks for jumping. Thanks for singing. See you next time.